In this video, we try to explain all the details about this particular accommodation that are good views and depending on the facilities also. You can see on the screen the location. There is like a lot of attractions and landmark also.
A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel.
Link provided in the description. Thanks for the description link. If you are getting in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already visited this hotel,